Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to freeze the column in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To freeze a column in the table, first select any cell in the column that you want to freeze, go to the View tab and select Freeze. As you can see, there are only 4 options here. No columns, which means without freezing columns, freeze 1 column, freeze 2 columns, and freezing all columns to the left of column B, in which we selected the cell. Great, we've frozen 2 columns, and now I'm going to show you a little life hack. To quickly freeze several columns, you don't need to use the toolbar. Just hover over the gray line to the left of the column name A, hold down the left mouse button on the gray line and drag it to the right, thereby selecting the necessary columns. To remove frozen columns, you can simply drag the line to the left and the freeze will be automatically removed. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.